bro. This is... Hopefully the video is not too dark. I know the lighting in here is not great, and we're not in our usual location. We're at the other house, or one of the other houses. Got a quick unboxing and figure out how to... I guess this is the tape actually. Okay, yeah, it is. How does this box work? No idea. Golly, this is like the tightest wrapped box that I've ever had to open. Oh Lord, people in Italy really boxed up well. Like, sheesh. I can see. Got a box that says Moonboots. So here's the tag right here, and it says MB Icon Low Rubber, Euro size 4547, UK 10.512, US 11.513, US L 12.514. Made in Romania, blah, blah. So we will be opening these. Oh, that's pretty cool. They have something inside the box. I have a white dust bag that has Moonboot on it. I was actually expecting it to be black, but I guess. And boom, golly, these are so much nicer than the other one. Jesus Christ. And I actually have the other one somewhere. Oh man, these look fire. There's some kind of, oh, so they have a tag from the place. But bro, these ones are tough. I'm guessing they'll go like this. Because from what I remember, there's no like, there's no left and right or something. Yeah, I mean, let's see. But yeah, these ones are so much better than the other ones. So we will, pardon, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Let me see if I can actually. Yeah, you guys are literally on top of a bongo drum. So let's, no, like, nah, I really don't think there's a right and a left. Yeah, no, like, it just looks the same on both sides. I guess just gotta try it. Oh wait, so these ones have like hella padding on the inside. This is way different. Holy shit. Oh no, these actually feel, I don't know. You know, these actually feel like these are sided. Oh no, no, they're just tight. Oh wow. These are so different from my other pair. Yeah, that's tough. Sorry, Paul, man. Gotta get out the way. Yeah, these are so comfortable. I'm gonna actually try swapping them and see if it feels any different on the other foot. But, yeah. So, yeah. Just gonna have to rock them like that because it feels a little bit more natural. So, oh my god, these are, yeah, this is lit. If they had this in a red with this same like satin finish, man, listen. Yeah, bro. This is, yeah, I'm gonna have to, yeah. These are it. Yeah. I'm literally backing up on the couch. Yeah, these are so much better than the other ones. There's so much padding on the inside. So your feet are not like moving around at all. So I'm definitely glad I got this size. But yeah, I'll give you guys a review in the near future. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.